Hi everyone, in this video I'd like to talk about how to create a new document in Affinity. Click the app icon to launch. When it's open, you'll see a welcome page containing some presets and also tutorials. You can also click the buttons on the top right to switch the list of presets between portrait and landscape. If you click on See More, you'll see the whole list of presets and also document settings panel. I'll get back on this later. Now let's go back. Click Recent. Here you will see the documents you are working on recently. In Learn, you will see tutorials similar to the ones in Homepage. My Templates, you can see all templates you saved in Affinity. Favorites, it allows you to keep your favorites here. On the top right, you'll see 3 buttons. The first one takes you to the homepage. The second one to open files. And the third one lets you create new document. In here, you'll see the whole list of presets with buttons on the top right to let you switch between portrait and landscape. Now let's see the document settings panel. This switch allows you to collapse and expand the panel. You can create new preset here. Set the document units. You got pixel, points, and so on. Set the DPI, page width and page height, actual size zoom, color format, color profile, turn transparent background on or off. Also switch between using artboard or not. Image placement, choose between linked or embedded. Set to import text files as linked and preserve text style. Add margins to the documents. Add bleed if you want to use it for printing. And also set the drawing scale. You can set the preset name here. And click Create Preset. Your newly created preset will be listed here, and you can use it whenever you need it. Now instead of creating preset, you can also click on Create Document to launch the new canvas. Now if you think the canvas is wrong and you want to go back to the welcome page to choose another preset, you can click on this icon. That's all for now, and thanks for watching.